Good morning, students. And this time I am going to tell you about Pandas series, as we have discussed much about series of in Pandas. And this time I am going to tell you about some data type, and it means D-type of the series. So if you see, this is the syntax that series, how to create the series. So series object means the first word should be the series, or you can say the entire identifier could be anything. You can suppose it anything. So this object is mandatory and is equal to PD. PD is the alias name of pandas, as it shows here. And series is a keyword, and data is the source by which you are going to create the series. And this is the combination of index, and here this is a list, or it could be a tuple also, and the combination of these two will make a series in pandas. So first you see, import pandas as PD means you will have to import pandas library in your Python program, and then you have to create the series. So this is the object, series object is equal to PD.series. Series is the keyword, and range you are taking 5. So over here, as soon as you click this statement, a series is created like this. So let us go to our practical side. So on this sheet, import pandas as PD, and this time we are taking the range function as is equal to PD dot series, and for data, if I take any data like 15, and this time index I am taking it as or you can take like range 5. So this is your data. So as soon as you print shift and enter key, this gives you a series of integers in the range of 0 to 4. So when you run this first time, it takes time. Only first time it takes time, otherwise it will run smoothly. So the series is created if you print S. So it will give you data in the range of 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is created using the function range. And if you want to give any index of your choice, you can give index is equal to, it should be in the form of the list. Since there are 5 values, so we'll have to take 5 indexes. So this way we have assigned indexes, and now if you print as, now the series will look like, so see here, indexes are changed. Now in place of 0, 1, 2, 3, they are A, B, C, D, E. But this time we have taken the integers, the series of integers, so its D type is int64. What if we change the values? Like if we take integers, list of integers, like L is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 1 point, say 5. So when I take a list of integers along with one float value, then see what happens. When I print as, now D type will change. Sorry, I will have to change it. I'll have to take L here and then print the series. And this time you observe that just because of 1.5, the entire series is converted into float. So this time your D type is float 64. And again, see here, if you're going to create a series using dictionary, how do we create a series using dictionary? So I'm taking this and I'm going to create a dictionary, a series using dictionary. So suppose I have a dictionary like D is equal to Jan, it has total months 31, then Fab, total numbers are 28. If I take March, total number of days are 31. If I take April, let's take in short. April, number of days in April are 30. So your dictionary is created, and using this dictionary, I am going to create the series. So S is equal to PD dot series, and series is of dictionary, so I'll have to mention D here. And as soon as I press shift and enter, the series is created with the indexes. See, the indexes are changed, and this time indexes are Jan, Fab. And in case of dictionary, when you use dictionary, so keys will be used as the index of the data. So 31, 28, 31 and 30, these are data items, and their dictionary keys are treated as the index of the series. Okay, so next example, to come to this, next slide, and next slide is over here. I'm taking creation of series with scalar values. Scalar means static values, integers. So over here you see I have created a series using integer 10, but the index range is 0 to 3. So 0, 1, 2. You'll be surprised to know that the integer 10 is distributed to all the indexes. So 0 index value 10, 1 index value 10, and 2 index value 10, and its D type is int64. In the next example, you observe that we have taken an index, data that is integer 15, and but index range is, we are going to create the indexes 1 to 6 with a gap of 2. So 1, 3, 5, these will be the indexes, and its scalar data will be 15. So let's start how to create this. collab. Going to create series with static data. S is equal to my static data is say pd dot series and static data is 10 and index is equal to range say 3, and as soon as I press shift and enter, statement is executed and series is created, and when I print series it gives you the output like this. So 10 is the scalar value and indexes are different 0, 1, 2. So 10 is distributed to all the indexes, among all the indexes 0, 1, 2, and 10 is constant. So this is the scalar value. Again, I am taking another example of a scalar value like S is equal to PD dot series. This time I am taking 15 and going to create indexes. Index is equal to range 1 to 6 with gap of 2, and this time the series is created with the value of 15 but the indexes are 1 to 6 with the gap of 2. So as soon as I print shift and press and shift and enter, series is created, and when I print it, the output will be like this. 1, 3, 5 are the indexes, but the static value or the scalar value 15 only. So it cannot be changed. So scalar values are those which are not changed by any you know formula or any mathematical operation if we apply it. So what's next? So we are taking the next. Over here, this is again the scalar value. Welcome to APS Agra. And here I have taken the indexes Ram, Shyam and Bharat. Let's see this example also. S is equal to PD dot series. Data is welcome to APS Agra, and the indexes are Ram, Shyam, Ravi and Nitin. So see here, when I create the series using this statement, series is created, but welcome to APS Agra will be the scalar value, but indexes are changed. So when I print it S, so the scalar value will be welcome to APS Agra, but the indexes will be Ram, Shyam, Ravi, and Nitin. So this is kind of object. Earlier it was integer 64 or float 64, and this time Dtype is object. So move to next. Over here, I'm going to use Not NumPy, I'm not going to use NumPy, so I'm taking another this thing. Okay, so this is very important. Over here, I have used for to generate the indexes, and the indexes will be A, B, C, D, E. So let's start. So series is equal to PD dot series is the range, yes, range 1 to 15 gap of 2 comma index is equal to list x for x in range x in A, B, C, D, E. Uh, what what's wrong with this? I think nothing is wrong with this. Range 15. For x. For x. Okay. This is x and is showing for length of data, and this is 135 A, B, C, D. Indexes are less, I think. 27 A, B, C, D, E. So I'm taking, I have to increase the indexes here. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Now we try this. Okay, so series is created, and when I print S, it gives this series like A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And this time these are integers, so Dtype is int 64. So hope this is clear. So what is next? I'm going to finish it off. So here we have taken the data of integers, an index of month, and Dtype if you want to give. Dtype is basically floor 64. Since I have used NumPy here, so I'm not going to take this. I think Dtype is floor 64. So let's try. So we are taking this again. List is equal to 10, 20, 30, and 40. So here series is equal to okay, month names, need month names also. Am is equal to list, say ram Shyam, Ravi, and say Lakhan. Now create the series. So S is equal to PD dot series with L and index M and D type float 64. Float 60 float operation. Press enter and your series is created, and when I print S it gives like indexes Ram, Shyam, Ravi, Lakhan, and the elements are 10, 20, 30, 40, but they are of float 64. So by default, float type is float 64. So that's all for the day. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.